Bonafide Hustler here, another thrift vlog. Let's see where this one takes us. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my damn gym. And kind of just woke up, gonna hit some garage sales, but I want to show you some things that are gonna get out of here soon. And yeah, we'll see what we find today. If you like these videos, subscribe, hit the like button. You can put a comment if you want. You can follow me at the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram. There's also a free money-making guide. It's the first link down below. Go check it out. You can learn what I do. All right, got this little girl right here. She's in the garage with me. First thing, this was actually kind of expensive at a Goodwill the other day. 66 bucks. I still think it's worth about 150, 200, so I got into it. It's a Trek pre-caliber, 24-inch kids bike. Really good condition. Great tread on the tires. Everything works perfect. So that's the first find right there, a Trek pre-caliber. A lot of things to show you. I actually went to Goodwill Houston, Goodwill Galveston, found some neat things. This one sold in a day, actually less than a day. These were some boots that I picked up at a Goodwill in River Oaks in Houston. They're in great condition, nice tooled embroidery, blah, blah, blah. Justin boots, actually. You would think this would be a different brand. Stop it, get out of here. But yeah, these were 27 bucks out the door. And they sold for, I believe, 200. So that was pretty quick. And they're going in this box right here, and they're gonna be shipped out. Also got some Hunter rain boots. These are actually the original Hunters, the good ones, not the crappy Target ones. So these were, I think, 6 bucks at a Goodwill, maybe 7 bucks at a Goodwill in Galveston. And yeah, they're in perfect condition. Should be worth around 80 bucks or so. So these are Hunters right here, but not the ones that were made by Target. All right, garage sale time. It's a beautiful day, it's overcast, and I just love garage sales, so here's the first one. Don't know if I'll find anything today, but you know, going out is the most important thing. It looks kind of cool though. Yeah, I mean, there's just random stuff everywhere. There are actually 2 garage sales. There's one over there too. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hey, double whammy. Let's check this one out for sure, or these 2. Pretty good chances. All right, so for a garage sale way down there was actually a 3rd garage sale. Picked up this like kind of beachy looking crate, 5 bucks. It's probably sell for about 50, 60 in my booth. But I have a feeling my girlfriend, she might like it, but maybe I just don't show it to her. I can still make money on it, but yeah, it's a pretty cool little crate. It's nothing crazy, you know, but it would sell in my booth for sure, like 50, 60 bucks all day. Next garage sale has some bikes and some random stuff. I mean, I don't know what's going on here, but maybe I can get a bike or 2. We'll see. Oh my gosh! Those bikes were so expensive. Oh my gosh. Okay. I mean, they have the right to price it any way they want, but man, 200 bucks each? Come on. That's crazy. So I'm on the Craigslist app right now, finding the next garage sale. And we'll see where the day takes us, you know? Who knows? But I'm gonna find something good. Whoosh. So I just came from this Goodwill. I got this lot of Muay Thai boxing pads. There's like shin guards, elbow guards, Venom Gloves. The shin guards, elbow guards are by Fairtex. The Venom is just a Venom brand. Probably can get over 100 bucks. I spent 6 bucks at this Goodwill for all that stuff. I'll show you all this stuff when I get home. Plus I went to a garage sale and I bought a lot of things. And when I get home, I'll show you that kind of stuff too. It's only like 9:20 in the day and I'm keeping on hustling on. At the back of the USPS, got 2 boxes. One is the boots, and the other one is some 510 free rider mountain biking shoes. So they're around, I don't know, 6 or 10 bucks that I paid for those. Sold them for 50 bucks. So that's not too bad. They're gonna go right over there. And yeah, I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff in the house. Back at the Hustler Casa. From a previous vlog, I picked up this bike for right around 5, 6 bucks. Gonna take a $60 offer locally today for this thing right here. Pretty neat, little Trek pre-caliber. So this is a 20-inch model, pink frame. Obviously it's a girl's bike. The one that you saw earlier in the video was a 24-inch model. And so yeah, you know, this one right here would command a little bit less because it doesn't have gears. It's not the 24-inch model. But still, 60 bucks is great. I'll take that flip. All right, in the damn gym, one of the finds I found this morning for $1. These southernmost sunglasses. They're made out of wood. They're pretty cool. $1. This is gonna go in my car. Just easy, cheap glasses. They have spring-loaded hinges. They're pretty cool, made out of wood. I'll take it. Also, all kinds of stuff, you know, for those sunglasses. Along with those sunglasses, I got some Brooks Cascadia 15. They're Gore-Tex as well. And the guy sold me everything for 10 bucks. So These are in great condition, probably sell for like 50 or so. Got this cool ammo box for, looks like maybe 30 caliber. Is that how you say it? I don't know it. But anyway, pretty nice little ammo box. By the way, it's little. So that'll go in my booth for around 20 to 30 bucks. We got some Evolve climbing shoes. These are size 13, pretty good condition. Nice looking shoe. Looks like the person didn't really use it too much. Also got a Fluke Meter. Now this wasn't part of the $10. This is a Fluke Meter. This one I paid 20 bucks for. This is a 323, so it should sell for right around 80 to 100 bucks. And we also got the other shoe and a climbing bag, an Evolve climbing bag for chalk, and there's still chalk in it, so that's nice. That was marked at $1, but like I said, paid 10 bucks for everything except for the Fluke Meter. That was 20. But yeah, climbing shoes should resell for around 20, 30. If I don't keep them, this right here, chalk bags are around 20, 30. There's no real resale on this, but good to have, so that way you can climb with them. In the background, we have the Fairtex pads. We can see right here, we have 2 size smalls, 2 size mediums. We have the Venom Gloves right here. Might end up keeping these gloves. Actually thinking about doing some Thai boxing along with my friend Matt. So, you know, learning that would be kind of cool. I just think that this is gonna be a little too small for me, but these gloves fit pretty good. These are 16-ounce gloves. These are like 45 bucks new, so it's nothing crazy. Now this set right here, I don't know, thinking about maybe 50 to 100 bucks, I would think. There's a little bit of damage on this medium one right here. Another thing I got from Galveston Goodwilling, or some thrifting in Galveston, was this Woolrich neat kind of plaid jacket with a detachable interior. Now this is not wool, unfortunately. This is definitely, you know, more like a polyester, acrylic thing. I don't know, but it's definitely not wool, unfortunately. But the outer part is wool, you know, and it's in a really decent condition, honestly. I do think in my booth this will fetch around 50 to 60, and this is often called like Mackinac or something like that. But everything looks good. All the buttons are there. It's a nice little, you know, winter piece, but here in Austin, Texas, it is so hot that it just makes no sense to have this thing. This is my size. Should be fetching around 50 to 70 bucks in my booth. I think I am 6 bucks into this from that Goodwill. So in the previous vlog, I showed you guys these forks right here, and there was a bike frame as well. Well, one of the forks, and first of all, I got all that stuff for 25 bucks. One of the forks just sold, actually, the first fork sold for 90 bucks. And then now this one sold for, I think, 180 on an offer. So I'm gonna get this one packed up. Still left with this fork, that fork. This one should sell for around 300. This one about 150, maybe this one right here. That one sold for 180. Still got the bike frame that's way behind the gym over there. But yeah, not too shabby. I gotta get this thing boxed up. That's why I gotta kind of cut this one right around here so I can put that fork in it. All right, it's the next day. Sold something on eBay today. I forget what it is. Oh yeah, I sold that Fluke Meter from yesterday that from the garage sale. It took a $70 offer, so that was pretty cool. About 8 bucks in shipping, padded poly envelope, so that's pretty nice. Get to ship all that stuff out tomorrow. Today I found this at a Goodwill. These are Merrell Wilderness Hikers. They're pretty much the most elite boot that Merrell makes. Very expensive. I paid 33 bucks for these, and they should sell for right around 150 to like 250. It's a pretty big spread. They're size 13, extremely mint, which is great. They were sitting in a bin that was rolled out, but not put out on the shelf yet, so that was pretty cool. Anyways, this is probably the 3rd time I've actually resold these boots. Not these, but obviously this model. And these are in great condition. I don't even think they were used, but I'm just gonna put mint because they're pretty much mint.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this vlog out because I'm like 5 vlogs backed up. I hope you enjoyed it. Found some really cool things. But yeah, hit me with a like. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.